Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to send money on Venmo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com right here. This is the official URL. And after opening it up, we can get started. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application. And after opening it up, we can get started. So the first thing we need to do is to log in. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you want to do is go ahead and register for one. So you can register by clicking the Get Venmo option right here. That's going to enable you to go ahead and continue on your mobile phone. Just continue with your phone number and get started creating your account. So once you got your account, go ahead and log in. And after logging in successfully, now we are going to be greeted by the home page, and the home page is going to look like this. This is going to be our main page from where we can get started right here. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, cards, me, and so on. And now we can get started. So as you can see right here in the me section, we can take a look at our Venmo balance, our wallet, and so on, and all of our friends, and we can get started paying people. So how do we send money? As you can see right here, we have an official article showing us how to send money on Venmo, the step-by-step. Basically, after opening up the app, like I showed you, you're going to select the payment icon, which is located at the top right of your screen. The payment icon, as you can see, is located right here at the bottom of the screen in the middle. This is where you can see it. If it's not here, then it's going to be in the top right of the screen. And then you can choose the recipient for funds from your Venmo contacts, or you can go ahead and add the recipient to the list using their username, phone number, or whichever option you want. After that, just input the amount you want to send, add a note, and confirm your payment. So after doing that, guys, you can go ahead and send money that you have in your Venmo balance. If you need to top up your balance, you can add a card that you want to send money with, and so on. And all of that is going to be available right here from the send and pay section. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.